got a new style, where the one place I do. Rap bungle dance, some music straight through. Vocal around the place like that. So just rap bungle dance, some of your tune up, I'm missing on the dance.
Wait, what?
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now, I know it has been a minute, Musuno. Oh my gosh, I know this is the other segments them. I hope you enjoy the new segment and all of these things. But the countdown is back and yeah, I hope so. No miss me like how me miss Uno. So, I went to Trinidad and Tobago a couple weeks ago. I enjoyed the Trinidad Carnival, was amazing. I still not dropped the Trinidad vlog yet, but it is going to come. So let me tell you about a little piece of excitement that happened when I went to Trinidad. Because when I promised, you know, a Trinidad Carnival vlog, but it never worked out that way. So I went to the road march, Trinidad road march on the Tuesday. And can you believe it? I got kicked out, dragged out of the carnival proceedings by the security man down there. I will tell you in detail when I do my story time video, but boy, it was, I'm a last in Trinidad and all of these things, but in the end, you know, God did it there for me and so everything they sort of worked out. So henty who, let's get into the countdown because there are so many things that I have to talk about.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Long Walk Recap. Megungo Peas, the Buju Banton, you know, same have him long-awaited concert, Long Walk to Freedom, at the National Stadium recently. And when I tell you people, when I say crowd of people converge at this stadium. I cannot believe, you know, when everybody in the bleachers and the grandstand, it is about 35,000 people, you know, fill it. But when they utilize the field, I think, say, you know, is around 50,000 people that they actually inside of the stadium for us to this one artist, the legendary Buju Banton. I know, boy, I don't know the drama, but I'm not really touch upon that right about now. Let us kind of scan through the lineup. What I hear is that the show basically is basically a 9.5 out of 10 in terms of the show start on time. The show ended on time. There was no one bag of chaos and, you know, apart from, you know, some of the lineup is long and at one point, you know, the audio kind of gone and some people couldn't hear. But for the most part, the show ran smooth. Kitty, all she did go up there, you know, she go up there, she introduced the show and all of these things. And for the most part, there was only like 2 band changes. So the show did actually go on smooth. Buju delivered. He gave an amazing performance of, you know, for about two hours. People did wonder if he did a kind of out of breath control and all kind of like things there, but it looked like him did a workout while he was in prison. So him stamina on stage was intact and all of these things. Everybody's talking about that moment when Berrish joined him on stage and they shared a very loving moment. But you know, for some people, they kind of probably would have looked a little bit kind of awkward for you say, you know, Buju showing that sort of love, given what they'd gone, you know, all around that week. But is a sign of the level of respect that he would have for an elder in the space like a Berrish Hammond.
Speak too long. Yes, I miss these moments. Shall the stage with curious? I came to see what you're on. I understand, I know. Someone told me.
Chronic C had a good set as well, gave a very international performance, as what you would expect from an artist with, of that sort of caliber. Special commendations, I forgot to put out for Marcia Griffiths. It was nice to see you there in the audience and you shared a good moment with Buju on stage. And I cannot leave out what people are dubbing probably the most interesting and, you know, buzzworthy performance of the night outside of Buju, which would be Ghost. But oh, how can I be hard forgetting? Even before the show did start, there was this video that showed when, you know, the fans were coming into Jamaica through the flight. They were actually singing along to Buju Banton songs. And yeah, me can't forget this lady who said she hasn't visited Jamaica in over 25 years. And she had take to social media while on the plane and talk it up a bag of things.
But at the moment, I'm on the honeymoon special on American Airlines. There's more new couples on this thing than a bridal shower in Charleston. Either way, who's ready for Jamaica? All right now. Oh, I hear y'all up front. Who's ready for Jamaica? That's what I'm talking about, backside.
Well, let me know, Berrydos, what did you think of the concert? Were you there? How much would you give it out of 10? Comments down below.
What is this of Buju Banton? The great Buju Banton. Can me and Buju are no friend, Buju are my family.
Number 9, Markus shares. My fridge top. So Markus Mary, son of the legendary Buju Banton, is all over social media these days following the altercation that happened apparently at a studio in which Buju got a little bit physical with his son after they had some amount of disagreement. Right after that, so Markus took to social media and him talk up one bag of things them in a series of about 4 posts, sharing about the relationship with his father and that it is not very good, and calling him father, certain choice names. Now, after that, it seems like the beef, they kind of get squashed because Markus put out, another post right after the concert, kind of showing him and his father, embracing each other and then explaining the situation in detail and apologizing for his utterances on social media. No, it don't have stop there because no, Markus Mary is still in social media and now for a totally different reason. Now, he's a record producer in the dancehall space and him and D'Angel work together from time to time. Now, D'Angel put up a picture with she and the producer and people start to speculate all kind of things and say, yo, could they be dating? But Markus make sure say him address the rumors with this post.
Angel?
I'm tired of hearing something with Angel. Angel, stop spreading rumor upon me here. You know really get people so old I am, man. Respect you as an artist and everything, but at the third time I hear somebody with Angel from in music till now. Give me a young girl. At the third time I hear somebody with Angel from in music till now. Give me a young girl. I want to hear somebody with Stark Ashley. Come to that.
Wow, why? You never have to do Angel still. Like, Angel nice, good, smell clean and all of these things. Should they host the social media countdown a couple of times ago, but the man say a Stark Ashley thing there. Stark Ashley. Give Markus a call right about now because I cannot afford for the brother reach for social media. Again. Number 8, Buju challenge. Miss Cookbrush say so Buju is an artist where he have a certain style. He have like a voice deep and hoarse. And he have a certain flow to how him communicate. Very slow and steady and it sounds very Rasta-ish. Now people start to make it on social media and I forgot to point out this video in particular with Ellie Diviner kind of doing a spoof of how he thought Buju would have responded after Markus posted those messages on social media.
86 months of gears and my son wants to send me back. Jamaica, how are you? Are you ready for me? I'm ready for you. We got so much things to talk about. Yesterday I took my son in my mouth. It never knock him out. But I'll get it. You'll see. I'm ignorant to it. Him say I'm going to press charges. At least Jamaica can't deport me. I want to see you. Because I need to see you. And see if you can't afford to come in. Let's jump the fence. Take it away.
Ellie Diviner, say you're wrong for this right now, brother. Say you're wrong for this, like the voice and everything on point. And it seems that Safari got inspired and did a little bit of the Buju challenge as well.
Hello, how are you? I'm happy to see you. Tune in this morning to TVJ, Smile Jamaica. Straight!
Well, let me know what you thought about these 2 videos, Berrydos. Comments down below. And now check out the random video of the week. ever there yard yet, sometimes you want to go up on the road and you want to tune into like one good football match, the Red Stripe Premier League, but if you're on the road and you just can't bother where me I gonna get to sit down around the TV. No need to fear. You have a app now that you can use from anywhere. It is called the Island Sports Network app, or if you're kind of old school, you can drop it the website still. But Max cover, not only that, with the Island Sports Network app, you can get to stream all of the Barbados Premier League matches and the Trinidad Super League matches as well. All of that for the low price of $3.99. And if you use my discount code, my promo code DUTTY, you'll be able to get % off. So the information is going to be in the description. Make sure that you make use of it. Number 7, mathematical law. My word, my sentence. So this year video started going viral on social media recently with one bag of people that post it more and where say, yo, that is why them artists here need for come bust and, you know, embrace the young youth them and several others. The video even appeared on Dancehall Shade Room. Now, this video featured a young upcoming DJ by the name of Gila with something called, I don't even know what name, but something about maths.
Hello class, my name is Gila, and today we're going to do some simple mathematics, you see me? Make sure you pay attention. Boom. Me I tell you man straight like the equation of a line mx plus c that equal to y. Nobody taught me no giant girl something me divide or square root of 9 one time so. At maths time come closer, bend you up like a x square parabola. Baby me know you never hard to read. Me know you like the laws of indices. And 2 times 9 equal to your ties make 9 the subject and your ties divide in a 2. So the 9 I go stand up in a U, then their belly start swell and the juice do they do. Yo dog, so you're bright. Yeah, I'm brighter than the bowl them over stadium, the Irma manifest and congregating on my cranium.
Shell. No man, from your previous you can definitely tell say this brother did bright in a school because anyway they done and could pass maths. This would have kind of look sad, but maybe you learn after the fact. Maybe you have some little late bloomer, maybe you are one of them people that who late for the mathematical understandings. But yeah man, all of them look something there. Maybe I listen to hear like Pythagoras theorem. Like him I say like, yo, I saw me I go steer them like Pythagoras theorem. I want to multiply yo like my 3 times yo. Like, no, yeah, that's why I'm not an artist. Like the artist flow now go on for this week. And also, if you want to go follow him, the information is right here below. Follow him on Instagram, support it. And also, he has a music video out now by the name of Weed Sale. Pre it and support the thing. A young artist on the rise.
The time when I start participating, smoking chronic, I graze until my head did levitate. Me knock out like a lightweight. We a fighter every week. Me swear the day, me gal it fret because she swear me could awake. Little more me hear them up, my mommy and them just a shake. Hungry did that box me up and give me shirt a couple drape.
Number 6, Conscience versus Footer. So you know, Conscience have him new soca song that is called 16.
Just wine, we are wine, we are wine. And them think we sexy. Make them think we sexy.
So he posted a little clip on IG and you know, I guess one little part in there, one little 1 second part in there, you have 2 girls kind of did a dance beside each other. So Footer put on his cape and ran to the comment section.
This girl pan girl thing really annoy me now. It's like everybody lose themselves all because of money or clout. Every single dancehall video me see with this type of behavior disappoints me on a level. There is no respect for what dancehall culture really is.
So Conscience clap back, like yo yai.
At Conscience, be careful what you promote. You are a father of a daughter.
Me not like ball off Ed, it annoy me. It remind me of Pharaoh. You see me a protest a Footer for growing here?
Ballet doesn't mean I'm gay though. A girl making out with another girl is gay. And that's not dancehall. Your video make it look like that's what dancehall is.
But I just wine, we are wine, we are wine. And them think we sexy.
And here ended that our reading. Say amen, amen. So let me know, burritos, what do you think of this back and forth on Instagram? Who do you side with? Do you side with Footer Hype or do you side with Conscience? Comment down below. Number 5, Macka's Spotlight. Me line 3, Macka Diamond and her alleged boyfriend Spotlight Kuna. You know, them are all over the place on social media. Boy, Spotlight coming like Macka Diamond personal handbag. He is everywhere where she is a cool brother. A long time him know her and it, you know, the relationship are going festive and all kind of things. But it look like they are bucket up on a little bit of a hiccup. Because all of a sudden, I say, article put out in the paper where Macka Diamond says she really reconsider the relationship and want to step away and all that kind of all these things. And that things done and she move on.
All who feel say, and all who talk about the thing say there was a fighting and them feel like him do me something when him throw me out a car. It was not like that. And it was not like that. Argument quashed down, I go back in the car and I go to my yard. Anyways, I want to say to you still.
Box cover. Subsequently, after that, I only go say, Spotlight Kuna, you know, I put out video. Right after him did talk about people must suggest ring for Macka and all these things, may I say, yo, maybe TVJ or see if I'm going to have big national wedding with Macka and this brother American talk about it and review it. It's going to be one bag of excitement. All of a sudden, I find out that trouble buck up in a paradise because this brother had posted out this video talking in a proper English. We can't bother. Watch it.
See, I got here with me. You said in the article yesterday, if I reach out to you, you're up for discussion. I reach out to you, you still didn't answer me, you still didn't reply. Please, give me back a call. We need to talk. And I'm asking you a favor. If you could just please do a social media, live or something, and let JDF know that I'm not a bad guy. The night you asked me over and over to let you out the car, you were getting mad as well. I stopped and I let you out, but I didn't leave you there. I waited on you till you calmed down, you got back in the car, and I took you home. So I'd like you to let them know that I'm not that bad guy. And please, let's talk privately. Like you said, you know what I'm saying? We old enough. We grown enough.
Macka Diamond, man, when you go English settings, man, oh gosh, man, you know you have to go talk to him, man. But if you really want it work, you should have draft away Vibes Cartel, do in the song, yeah.
Baby girl, I love you so. Come in at my house, let me touch you now. Bully a man won't get to you, but like baby to mom, I'ma take to you.
So up to now, we don't know if the couple has reunited. We don't know if they're going to patch things up and keep the relationship going. But all I know is that Macka Diamond, come on, man, the youth are try. But you are the diamond, so you need a little light. You don't need Sean Paul to get a little light. The man is the spotlight. Or maybe right about now what this year, tell him.
Well, I don't like leaving under your spotlight.
I'm getting married in the morning.
Number 4, Patois Translator. Me chamba. So this video quite interesting. I think I ever have something like this on my countdown before. So, you know, me go make my way up on Facebook and all of a sudden I book up this video from I Care Jamaica, in which they had 2 people. I talked to the what you call them, like clients, the patients at a hospital or at a clinic. One brother was talking in the Queen's English, standard English. It might have been American English, British English, I do not know. And then they had a lovely lady next to him, breaking it down for the people in the native tongue, the language in which they could properly digest and understand. Creole, Patois. Pray!
Alright, so what will happen when the patches then come out this morning, you know, must see everything clear. Some people might see good and proper, but some people might have some blurry things still go on.
But every day, little by little, in a couple of weeks, in about a month, it'll be very good.
Alright, so every day, little by little, they're going to start to see better and better. So it's going to go on little bit, maybe not see everything clear right now. But every day, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Master God, crystal clear.
Okay, when we take off the patch, it's very important. Don't rub it, okay? You keep your hands out. Don't touch.
When the patch then come off, what if time if I feel like it's a crutch you? No bother crutch your eye. No bother rub your eye. Beg you please, because your hand go dirty and you're going to rub all sort of sitting at the eye bar.
Because it's brand spanking new.
It's brand spanking new.
People, we need this lady for them in a Miss Universe and Miss World. A long time I feel like them a cheat the system and all kind of things. If them Spanish girl and them Asian girl can go up there and listen and then use them little language afterwards, we need to go up there and chat patois so we can buy time to answer the question them as well. And this is the lady who going to start the wave for us. Okay, let me know what you thought about this video, people, and comment down below. And now check out the second random video of the week.
I wasn't a dunce kid at school. I was a bright kid as always, you know.
Look at this. Look at this.
Being the fact that I felt out at school at grade 10, it didn't have any disadvantage on me. You know?
Willingly, I didn't do it willingly.
I felt out at school.
You don't come from planetary.
I felt out at school.
Okay, what is going on here?
Number 3, Bees Moves. Me Honeycomb. So new internet sensation and dancehall artist Bees Hive Music I was seeing a video teaching the Mr. Whoa, Charlie Black's Mr. Party Animal, his special beehive type of move. Now, if you're familiar with the artist, you know, say him have one special type of dance. Him dance not normal. Like when it's a busy bees, a suffer body just moving all kind of circumference and pattern. Like, me don't know him. Come like him is a, what you call it, elastic contortionist. Something goes up.
Beehive.
Let me know how well you thought Charlie Blacks did, people. Comment down below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run along, sing along. Well then, pick up the friend.
First, I forgot big up living legend Usain Bolt and giving back to the kids at the Mustard Seed community is a good look. And also, I forgot big up, you know, Safari for bringing his wife Erica Mena out here and I toured the whole country and all of these things.
Hey, listen. Erica's officially Jamaican.
And yes, I forgot big up Kirk Wint on winning the silver medal in the 50-meter dash at the Special Olympics. Boy, what a race. What a race. Such an inspiration, and I wish for the best for your future. And people, I have to tell you now about the Adult Learning Center. Now, for those of you who, for whatever reason, didn't really get to develop your skills to the best of their ability in areas such as reading and writing, this center is for you.
I'm Sanya Goff. I, along with my husband Gavin, are the founders of Adult Learning Centers of Jamaica. So it's a non-profit organization really geared towards helping adults who have challenges in the areas of reading and writing. And so we encourage persons who have challenges or, you know, need a second chance or looking for a second chance, who didn't have the opportunity to complete school. You know, we have many students here who didn't even complete their primary school or even basic school education, and they're really seeking an opportunity to start all over again. And so we welcome students anywhere between the ages of 18 upwards. There's no age maximum.
Okay, so my dear, my virgin Garfield. Garfield, how old you be?
I'm 52.
Oh, 52. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Been long time, long time.
It better late more than never.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I come out, want to get myself better in every aspect of life. Fellow Jamaican, you must not afraid and shy to come. Knowledge is power, so please come. Box cover.
So basic numeracy and literacy classes are held at the St. Margaret's Church Hall in Ligoni, Monday to Wednesday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. For more information, you can contact Sanya at 876-298-5991. So yeah, man, I feel no way if you're reading and you're writing at the 100% level. It's all about, you know, identifying the issue, and then, you know, for the rest of 2019, you know, you just set your goals and you make sure, say, you link the Adult Learning Center so that you can improve all of them skills here.
Yo, this is Cass from Trinidad and Tobago, and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Bless up. Boom.
Number 2, Mackerel moments. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. No, this girl, she needs some sort of social media award because she just take the place by storm. So, for those of you who might have been underneath a carpet and do not know who Mackerel is, no, Mackerel is the latest internet sensation, following in the likes of Cliff Twang, Rosie, Barbara, who else am I leaving out? Macaroni. She is the latest one for join the ranks.
No man, some on a lifetime.
No, she came to social media prominence after this video started being circulated where basically some fighter go on and it was seen where her head kind of get blood up. And then afterwards, now she put out video talk about, say, you know, an old video, and and somewhere in the midst of it, she started to talk about, say, yo, me take people, man, and all kind of things, and you know, say, me look like a cockroach, and her steady hand cow fat.
Me take a girl, man, me no care. Me take a girl, man, me nah no fair. Lad don't feel like I take somebody, man, this week.
And then after that, the star go find her, give her an interview, so you know that went viral. Then in the middle of that, she's just everywhere, a promote all kind of party, a promote all kind of product, and yeah, look like so the bookings really turn up for this girl.
Pick up for go. The dancers sat there triple century. Come on, good for go take people, man, tonight. and all these things.
So what me I hear is that she's apparently probably 18 years old, young girl, as I probably can see from our videos them. And so this whole entire experience is just she living her best life.
Yes. All these things. Yes. Yeah, girl.
Yes. So Al Khaleda put her in a new music video.
I just take people, man. Which one can come out of the woods?
I wait. So go.
I honestly at this point don't know how long this whole Mackerel tech man and all kind of something will last. But I hope that she, sees herself beyond just a gimmick and just say, she have personality. Like if you watch her interview them, you can tell she's a likable girl. Separate from apart from the whole little Ray bullshit tech man and all kind of something there, is a very likable girl. She seems like she have a nice, genuine personality, and hopefully she'll bring that to the surface more after this, because the little tech man thing and Ray, it will blow off after a little while, and say you need something to sustain yourself. What I would advise to you, Mackerel, is that package the whole character, package Mackerel as a character. Do some little skits them like how you have Perry, like how you have you have Fat Skull, like how you have Prince Pine. Package your thing, because remember, there are not a lot of female social media comedians that exist right now. And so make that into a character, start the little skits them with your phone so you can have more longevity in a thing. Okay, people? Yeah, let me know what you thought about, like what you think about Mackerel. Comment down below.
Where the man see, probably you wanna see it in a person. Some man will left him good woman for a cockroach like me. And second for a cockroach like me.
And number one goes to Jamaican mama. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Oh my gosh. So I have to go say, I just love a good Jamaican authentic grandmother. Something about a grandma just like make you have a sense of, like family. You just feel all of your Jamaican experiences just wrapped up in a them presence. I don't know. I make that Jamaican grandmother nice. Well, let me not say Jamaican. A Caribbean grandmother nice is when, oh my gosh, is when, them have a right nice amount of feistiness. You know that little feistiness where them just never take every and anything where you say, them have to give you a little attitude that just make a Jamaican Caribbean grandmother just like, better than the rest. So this lady, you need to go pre-out our Instagram page. The Instagram page I'm going to put right down here, so go and follow right now, right after you done watch the video. Because boy, this video we shall talk about our pant size with our daughter.
What do you think your waist is?
And my jeans pants them is 24.
That is your jeans pants are 24?
All of them.
Long time ago. Mommy, when you was 10.
When what was 10?
When you was a teenager.
When Glenn just buy for me, how long now? Him buy the pants for me. How much the hell you think it was?
42.
24. Damn ass you. You don't see my backside bigger than my waist. I have a small waist. No, I don't know what, you don't know what the hell you're saying, so let me stop all. Axel!
And then there's this other video where she, I try to out-sing her daughter, and boy, like, she not take no for your answer. She defend what she believe in her.
In times like these, you need a savior.
No.
What's wrong with it?
In times like these, you need a savior.
What's wrong with what me was singing?
Don't need a taste guts, no.
So you say me can't sing? Me can't sing.
You need a savior.
Your own is tasteless.
Very sure.
No, your own tasteless.
What you talking?
Your own tasteless.
What are you talking about?
You can't sing neither.
Be very sure.
Yeah, tell me me can't sing.
Your anchor holds.
It don't mean nothing. It don't mean nothing.
And grapes not sorry.
Them need to leave you alone, yeah, grandma. Them need to leave you alone. Oh my gosh, boy. If we could have meet her, get one video done, me just love this. I can't believe me actually I follow our grandmother on Instagram and she entertain me so like, boy. Well, that is it, people. We have come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit quick, but, hopefully you're going to get a couple laughs out of it. If you enjoyed it, please, may I beseech, give me a thumbs up. click the like button because I work hard for the video, you know, man. I work hard, man. Give me a thumbs up and also to leave a comment down below. Me know you have the couple people that me always watch and now comment. Me know una pre the live right and now una over this chat and don't want comment. Just say one kind thing. Just say one something. Just go up on your keyboard and just type up element of POQ. You know, something like that. Okay? And also to share the video. Share the video so that more people can get to see and follow the Dutty Berry social media countdown movement and all of these things. Okay, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryshow and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat all over. For bookings, it is DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
Dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth like yo.